Hey everybody, Stan Dale, President of Florida SunCoast. Hope you're doing well. I don't know if you can see it in the background. I'm trying to pull it into the picture. There it is. Got a rainbow going on. So it looks like the lucky pot under the rainbow is a 3 Series today. Now let me dive right into it. Got a huge calendar. Let me just run through the end of September. It's gonna be big. So let me talk about that quick. Of course, this weekend, if you're not already there, the O Fest is going on in Rhode Island this weekend. Got a lot of members up there taking advantage of that. On the 30th, we have 3 events going on. Saturday, Fort Walton Beach, first time ever, inaugural launch of Cars and Coffee at the BMW of Fort Walton. Justin Anderson's up there, our area governor, getting that kicked off, and we really appreciate the dealership coming into this. So I think we have like 9 Cars and Coffees now every month around the state. So really a popular thing, trying to build that up in Fort Walton. So thanks, Justin. Great work there. In Gainesville, the Tioga Town Center car show is on the 30th. Meribeth Culver, man, she's on fire. She's got all kind of things going on up there in the Gainesville, Ocala, Villages area. So Saturday at Tioga Town Center from 4 to 8 is that car show. On the 30th as well, inaugural launch here. Euro Haus, Kevin Tipton's production event, is going to be the last Saturday of every month. Look on the calendar. You'll see a schedule of different events for that time period, different locations. But on the 30th, we're going to be at St Petersburg Distillery. Kyle Jones, our area governor for Lakeland, is going to be there representing as well. And just check out the list of Euro Haus events that are going on. So, Kevin, thank you for doing that. On the 1st, Sunday, October the 1st, Punta Gorda, Port Charlotte. We had John Schneider. We got breakfast at Abby's on Miami in Venice. That's from 9 to 11. On the 7th, we got the Autocross group at Gulf Coast Autocross. That's Autocross weekend on the 7th, and I think that's the 7th and the 8th. On the 8th, we have Gainesville's Car and Coffee at Whole Foods. That's with Meribeth Culver again. And then on the 8th also, we have Naples Cars and Coffee at BMW Naples. That's from, I think that's the new hours there, 9 to 11. And then let me do a real fast run through October because it's just packed full of stuff. The 13th, we had the Friday night social at Channelside up on the parking deck. Great event. On the 14th, we have St. Pete Clearwater Picnic. This is the second annual picnic. Jeff Cunningham, Al, Gene, all the crew from the OCC area. Second annual picnic, 11 to 1:30. That's at Fort DeSoto Park. Check that out. Come on out. We had a great time last year. A lot of turnout, so come do that. On the 14th as well, Jacksonville Caffeine and Octane from 8 to 11. On the 14th, we have the Southwood Cars and Coffee. On the 14th, we have the 3rd annual International Car Show in Gainesville. Meribeth doing that one from 9 to 12. On the 14th, we have the October O Fest Yahala Bakery Run from 11 to 2. I think that's Kevin Tipton heading that one up. Back on the 17th to the OCC. Jeff Cunningham and group at the OCC on the 17th. The 19th through the 22nd is the second Mountain Drive 2 from the 19th through the 22nd. That's about 50, 53, 55 folks heading up to North Carolina to the Mountain Run. There's a few things left in the end of October. I'll update those later, but a lot going on. Check out the videos, check out the links down below, and check out the calendar and come on and do it. Until then, what do we say? Happy motoring, y'all. See you soon. Thanks.